What's the meaning of airplane? Airplane. 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 Airplane.
An airplane is a type of aircraft that is designed to fly through the air using wings for lift and engines for propulsion. It is typically used for transportation of people or cargo over long distances, and can travel at high speeds and altitudes. Airplanes come in a variety of shapes and sizes, ranging from small single-engine planes to large commercial airliners. They have revolutionized the way people travel and have had a profound impact on the world, making it easier and faster to connect with different places and cultures.